Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. We are diving into a powerful tool that can transform your mental well-being, mindfulness. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by stress, anxiety, or racing thoughts? What if I told you that simply being present could change your life? Stay tuned as we explore how mindfulness practices can improve mental health and why they actually work. So, how does mindfulness improve mental health? Let's break it down. Stress reduction. Mindfulness helps you focus on the present moment instead of dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. This shift reduces cortisol levels, the stress hormone, helping you feel calmer and more in control. Emotional regulation. When you're mindful, you create a gap between your emotions and your reactions. This means fewer impulsive responses and more thoughtful decision-making, leading to healthier relationships and a balanced mindset, improved focus and concentration. Ever feel like your mind is all over the place? Mindfulness practices like meditation train your brain to focus on one thing at a time, improving your attention span and memory. Reduction in anxiety and depression. Studies show that mindfulness can reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression by helping you break the cycle of negative thinking and develop a more positive outlook. Enhanced self-awareness. Mindfulness allows you to recognize harmful thought patterns and behaviors. By becoming more aware, you can make better choices that support your mental well-being. Better sleep. Struggle with falling asleep? Mindfulness can quiet your mind, ease stress, and create the perfect conditions for restful sleep. Increased resilience. Life throws challenges at us, but mindfulness helps you bounce back faster. By cultivating a sense of acceptance and presence, you become more adaptable and emotionally strong. Why does it work? Now you might be wondering, why is mindfulness so effective? Science has some fascinating answers. Neuroplasticity. Mindfulness can actually reshape your brain. It increases gray matter in areas responsible for memory, learning, and emotional regulation. Reduction in amygdala. Activity. The amygdala, which processes fear and stress, becomes less reactive, helping you stay calm in challenging situations. Enhanced brain connectivity. Mindfulness strengthens connections between brain regions responsible for focus and decision-making, leading to better cognitive and emotional control. Mind-body connection. Focusing on your breath and bodily sensations activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which promotes relaxation and reduces stress. Cognitive behavioral effects. Mindfulness works similarly to cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, by helping you observe negative thoughts without judgment, reducing their emotional impact. So there you have it. Mindfulness isn't just a buzzword, it's a science-backed practice that can truly transform your mental health. Whether you're new to mindfulness or have been practicing for a while, small steps can lead to big changes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on content that helps you live your best life. And let me know in the comments, how has mindfulness impacted your life? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, stay mindful and take care.